Hi friends, this is Sarvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good and safe. And today let us discuss about EIGRP authentication. So like OSPF EIGRP supports the MD5 authentication. So here I have to additionally define the key, right? So I can define the keychain algorithm, keychain. So both the keychain should be the same. Under the keychain I have to specify the key and the key string, right? So then I have to define the authentication mode and the authentication keychain on both R1 and R2. So both these keys should remain the same. So what I can do, let us go and configure the EIGRP. So let us define the interfaces first. Go to the configuration mode and let us define the interfaces, right? So what we can do, go to interface, interfaces fast Ethernet. Let us see the interface. So interface is fast Ethernet 0 by 0, right? So interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and the IP address is 192.168.1.0 followed by 255.255.255.0 and no shut. Similarly, go to R2 and go to the configuration mode, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and the IP address is 192.168.1.2 followed by 255.255.255.0, right? So now let us enable the routing protocol. So before that, what we can do, let us configure the keychain, right? So keychain my key. So let us define the case keychain my key. This is the keychain followed by the key. So key ID, let us make it as key1 and then I have to specify the key string. So key string, let us make it as hello. So I configure the first step. Second thing, go to the configuration mode and I have to define the in the fast Ethernet 0 by 0, right? So go to interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and let us enable the authentication mode. IP authentication mode is EIGRP 100 autonomous number followed by the MD5 algorithm. Similar way IP authentication. So authentication keychain EIGRP 100 and the keychain is my key, right? So this is the my key, we have to define my key. So the same way I have to define on R2 also my key, right? I already defined it. So similarly go to R2, go to the configuration mode. So let us define the keychain. Keychain is my key, right? Followed by the key is key1 and key string is hello. So additionally, if you want, you can define the lifetime of the individual key also. So after that, now let us go to the configuration mode. Interface is faster than at 0 by 0, right? 0 by 0 and the IP authentication mode is EIGRP 100 MD5 algorithm. So then IP authentication keychain is EIGRP 100 my key, right? So I define everything on both R1 and R2. So we define the keychain, key1 and the key string, and I define the authentication mode and the authentication keychain on both R1 and R2. So both this key value should remain the same for establishing the neighbor relationship. Now let us enable the routing protocol EIGRP. So router, so EIGRP 100 and the network is 192.168.1.0. Similar way, go to R2, go to configuration mode, router, EIGRP 100 and the network is 192.168.1.0, right? So I already defined it. So now let us see the neighbor relationship it is establishing between R1 and R2, right? So now let us go ahead and check the neighbor relationship. Go to R1 and check the neighbor relationship. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. So go to R2 and check the neighbor relationship. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. So let us check the interface. Show IP interface brief. So it is up, right? So let us check here. Show IP interface brief. So it is administratively down. So let us make it up, right? So go to the configuration mode, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Let us do a no shut. So immediately the neighbor relationship should come up. So now let us check it. So it is coming up, right? So 1 by 2 is up. Similarly, you are able to see the adjacency here. It is coming up. In case of if you have key mismatch, it will show the neighbor relationship will not establish between R1 and R2, right? So now let us check the neighbor relationship. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. So we are able to see the neighbor relationship. Similar way in R2. So show IP EIGRP neighbor, right? So you are able to establish the neighbor relationship between R1 and R2, right? So in case of any key mismatch, what happen? The neighbor relationship will not establish. So it will show the mismatch key. So that this is how the EIGRP MD5 authentication we can configure between R1 and R2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.